Good morning, everybody. It's about 8:40 in the morning on Monday the 21st. Hope you had a great weekend. Just a quick recap of what happened last week in science. Last week in science, I'm going to use my A block class as my example. We had four things to do. Almost everything we had to do was right in this set of Google slides. So if I'm on A block's Google slide, but everybody's looks the same, I'm going to click on remote learning first day. And there were three things to do that you could do right from here. The first thing you could do once these slides open is on the third page, you had to click on this link up here at the top to create your Google Slides for our 8-Balch team. When I click on it, just to give you an idea of what one of your classmates looks like, Isaac, very nice. Totally cool pictures here. I'm very happy with this idea. So let's close that. So that's the first thing to do. The second thing to do was on the 6th slide. The suspense is killing me. The next thing to do was on slide number 6. And so we had two truths and a lie. You had to click here to join a Padlet. So I'm going to click here to join the Padlet, just to give an idea of what that looks like. It's called Two Truths and a Lie, 8-Balch. I need to go in and approve some this morning that look like they're done. So that's the second thing you had to do this morning. If I go back to the slides, there was a third piece, which was the Kahoot called Who is Mr. Salucci. If I go to kahoot.it or use the app right on your iPad and enter this 9-digit code right here, 8-digit code, you'll be brought right to the Kahoot challenge. Make sure you use your actual name, not a fake name or a whole bunch of emojis or something like that. And the last piece was the Summer Science Experience. The Summer Science Experience is actually a Google Doc. You can find it right in Google Classroom. So I'm going to go back to Google Classroom's A block under classwork. And it is right there called Summer Science Experience. You can go right ahead and open up your document and type right into it, and be sure to hit turn in when done. So it looks like this class A block still has 7 people that still have to turn it in this morning, and I'll be checking through the rest of them. All this stuff is due before or right at the beginning of your first block of this week. So for A block, that's 11 o'clock this morning. For B block, that's 1 o'clock this afternoon. And for C, D, and E, that's tomorrow, Tuesday, at either 9, 11, or 1 o'clock for C, D, and E blocks. Hope this made sense. I'm here on email if you have any questions. At A block, I'll see you at 11. B block, I will see you at 1. Bye.